Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I guess I'm a part of Team Pixel now. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that I'm not excited, because I most definitely am. Never in a bazillion years would I have thought that Google would send me a free phone. I mean, any company really, if we being honest. But this is exactly how FedEx dropped it off, so we about to go ahead and get into this thing. And here we go. What color did they send us? That's what I was really wondering the whole time. So it looked like they sent me the just black, and this is the Pixel 3 XL Google logo right there, the phone, camera, you can just see the whole thing. They made some simple boxes. It's kind of like iPhone, I guess. I mean, look at the S9 box. Like, it just sets the text and you don't really see the phone on there, so I like that better. But we have the phone on the right side, we have the Google logo on the left side. At the bottom we just have some info, and at the top we have our Google logo. And this is what I like. So I saw that in videos. They just had this like little simple thing, like this just like your everyday thing, like your phone's just sitting on a table. I like that. And I want to say a huge thank you to Google real quick for sending me a phone. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. As y'all know, like if you know me, this isn't gonna alter like what I think about the phone. Just cause Google sent it to me for free don't mean I'm gonna just be saying BS. But I did ask y'all if y'all wanted to see the 3A or the 3XL, and like on Instagram, overwhelmingly it was the 3XL that y'all wanted to see. Which actually surprised me, because if you're buying a budget Pixel, that probably means that you want to save as much money as you can, right? Well, I guess not. People just like they big phones, I guess. I can't blame y'all. Let's just go ahead and get into this thing. I like that they got the easy pull tabs here. Samsung, take note of this. Like, if you wondering why I keep saying Samsung and you're new here, I'm pretty much a Samsung fanboy, as you know. I'm in the Samsung ecosystem. I have Samsung Cloud. I have all this stuff here, so that's why I keep mentioning Samsung. I have the Galaxy Watch, the Tab S4, Samsung TV. Might as well have a Samsung washer. Let's go ahead and just get into this thing. I'm thinking about using it for a month, so let me know. But here we go. We have the Pixel 3 XL. I thought it would be smaller, you know? I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's go ahead and take this off. I'm not gonna put it up next to the camera like every other YouTuber, but here we go. Here's our Pixel 3 XL. This is my first Google phone. I used the Nexus 6P, but I think the Nexus 5X was like the last cheapest phone that they ever made, and then they came out with this out of nowhere, even though it got leaked like crazy and the Pixel 3 wasn't selling all that good. We got this now. Kinda wish I got the purplish, but I can't complain about what I got. Let's go and keep looking inside the box. So we got a Google logo here, so I'm pretty sure the power and everything's in this box. We have our wall adapter here. I thought the cord would be here, and it's USB Type-C on both ends, so I really like that. We got a SD card ejector, user manual, nobody cares though. Team Pixel stickers that maybe I'll troll somebody on their car or something. More manuals that nobody cares about. And then we have our USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Nobody does this. I think Apple's the only one doing it, and that's not even out yet. And then we got our OTG adapter here that we use to transfer our stuff. But alright, that's the Pixel 3 unboxing. Let's look around this real quick. We have our camera right here, our earpiece, and our light sensor you can't really see. We got our 5.6-inch screen here that's actually 18 by 9. And next to the S9, don't even look that much smaller. Like the actual footprint of the phone is the same, but the actual screen isn't that much smaller. We got our power buttons and our volume buttons, not spaced out obviously. We got our SIM card ejector and maybe our micro SD card slot. Probably not though. Literally every YouTuber on the internet talks about this. It has a headphone jack now. We got our microphone here. We got our USB Type-C with 2 speakers here. On the back we got a Google logo, a fingerprint scanner, a camera, which everybody knows how good a Pixel camera is. And then we got our flash. Now already I can see that this is a fingerprint magnet, like most definitely, but it's not glass like the regular Pixel. All this right here is just plastic, but right here we do have like a little soft touch to it. It's cool. And then we have our squeeze feature, so let's go ahead and just turn this thing on. It got some like pretty nice buttons here. I like that. I like a lot of things about this. This is a new phone, so obviously I'm gonna talk about this a lot, but here's our little boot up screen here. Pretty simple, nothing really crazy, just a Google logo. And here we go, we got our little setup here now. I'm gonna go and set this up. I'm not actually gonna skip through it, I'm gonna just fast forward through it and then we'll get back here. I'm not gonna sit here and complain about the bezels because nobody's really gonna care about the bezels. Like maybe you do, but like the average person is not gonna care about these bezels. They decided to put the money into the camera and this little AMOLED Samsung screen here, and I like that. So I'm gonna fast forward through this and I'll be back. And here we go, guys. We got our Pixel 3a XL set up now. Welcome to your new Pixel. Thanks, Google. Appreciate it. And Google, I know you're watching this, so if you come out with the Pixel 4 and you decide to send me one, I wouldn't be mad. But I'm not gonna really get into this right now. I'm gonna just try out the squeeze feature real quick though. It's nice. I don't know how much I would actually use that, but that's cool. I guess I could just squeeze my phone to get to the Google Assistant. Like I said, this is my first Pixel though, so we'll see how it goes. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Dream check.